Data problems don't announce themselves, they move quietly through your workflow, compounding with every step until they surface at the worst possible moment. Either during modelling, during reporting, or worse, during an audit. Automated QAQC in Micromine stops this at its source. It validates your data as it enters Sample Tracker, flagging errors, identifying suspect samples, and stopping bad data before it can even reach your models or decisions. You set your validation rules once. Geobank does the checking every time, because the decisions your team makes are only as good as the data beneath them. Now I'm going to show you very quickly how this system works. So from an administrative standpoint, we can set these up on each receipt object, and each receipt object can have a different QAQC set. As you can see here, we have 3 rules: standards that are outside of range, percentage difference between original and duplicate, and sample too similar. We also have the ability to set whether these are a warning or an error. Having a look at one of these, they're designed to be as simple as possible. So we have the ability to either flag the warning, we have the ability in this case to set how many standard deviations are considered out of range, and what number or percentage of standards. Even with percentage difference, all we need is the number. We try to keep this as simple as possible so it remains robust, but also means that your workflow can be trusted. Coming back to our receipt here, we can see that we have a failed batch and we have one that has a warning. As you can see here, you're not allowed to process the one with an error. This would mean you would need to go back to your lab and request either a re-assay or a re-dispatch of the certificate. But for the ones that have just warnings, we have the ability to process them into our buffer area. And from here, this works in exactly the same way as any other receipt entry. Thank you.